word coming in from Rolta. But let's focus on one stock. It's actually been one of the biggest gainers this series, and yesterday we saw a move of 14% in Sesa-Goa. Some of it may be technical because it's now entered into the Sensex, but P.K. Mukherjee, the managing director of Sesa-Goa, joins us to talk about the fundamentals and whether there is any improvement in store. Mr. Mukherjee, thanks so much for being with us. The latest we hear is that the Goa Chief Minister has said that mining may resume by the month of November. What is the latest, that you are picking up in terms of when resumption of mining activities could take place in Goa?
Good morning, first of all. I think nowadays all the ministers from Goa as well as center, everybody is talking in unison that Goa mining must resume as fast as possible. But everybody also understands that the matter is in Supreme Court, and Supreme Court, unless they lift their order, which was an interim order passed in October 2012, and which has not been heard till date, effectively. Until that happens, mining cannot resume. So I personally do not want to take any guess as to the timeline, but I think the way the economy is going and the way everybody is talking, everybody understands the importance of mining and the importance of the Goa mining role in the economy of the country, and particularly at the current moment when the 8 to 10 million tons are lying mined out over for last 1 year it is lying, which can be exported within a matter of couple of months. It can be huge gain for the country as a whole, and also for the Goa's economy.
Yes, certainly.
For royalty earning.
Mr. Mukherjee, Mr. Mukherjee, the point is taken, but it is 1 year now. September 2012 was when the ban came in. The Supreme Court, I hear, has heard it only once. In that context, can you give us a timeline? Since hearing has only been done once, are you expecting hearing to be speeded up under pressure from both the central and the state governments? Therefore, at least in 2013, do you think we can see the mining ban going off?
As late as last week, Supreme Court's bench has said that they are requesting Chief Justice to allot continuous hearing time for 7 to 8 days. And if that happens, I am sure that this embargo can be handled very quickly. And Goa is ready. Goa is ready as such. But one word of caution that after Supreme Court lifts also, state government also has to lift the ban which was imposed in September. Ministry of Environment and Forest also has to lift its suspension which they have imposed on each and every mines. So these are the all milestones we need to cross before we start.
So even if, assuming in the next 2 months we get some relief on the Goa front, do you think it will still be well into FY14 that you see resumption of mining activities in Goa? Well into the next fiscal, I mean?
No, I don't think so. Once if it happens within couple of months, which is hypothetical today, but that means by end of October you are telling that the miners are allowed to resume their operations. I think within a month or so we'll be able to start more or less at our capacity rate. So we'll be able to achieve the 100. So 4 to 5 months of a fair season if we get, I think it is a considerable production can come in, and absolutely no way that we require 5-6 months to go into the next fiscal year to start our operation.
But you said that hypothetically October end, do you have at least some confidence to assume that hypothesis that in 2 months things could get straightened out?
Personally speaking, I have the huge confidence that by September we'll be able to see the tunnel at the end of light at the end of the tunnel.
Okay, so the reason I asked you that is because, Karnataka has gotten a go-ahead in April 2013, and you yourself indicated that perhaps the mining would restart in the month of May and June, but we haven't seen any kind of progress on that front just yet. So what is the update with respect to what's happening with Karnataka mining?
Yeah, that's you're right, because in Karnataka we expected that once the Supreme Court has given the clearance for so-called A grade and B grade mines, and our mines was in B grade, that it will resume very soon and all the approvals will come in the fastest way. But unfortunately our hopes were glad. But in Karnataka one needs to remember that every mines more or less are involved, there is some forest clearance involved. And we got entangled into that. We are very, very at advanced stage now. I think this quarter itself will be able to start operation in case of Karnataka. But Karnataka cannot be compared with the Goa because in Goa the mining is not done in the forest area.
Yeah, no,
Goa's minings are outside the forest.
yeah, got that, Mr. Mukherjee. You know, you have I think the approved provisional production capacity was 2.29 million tons per annum for Karnataka's your B category mines. How much do you think you'll
Yeah, our
produce?
mines have been approved 2.29 million.
So how much do you think you'll produce this year?
The 2.29 we can produce in 4 months. Absolutely no issue.
Okay, and when do you expect you will start?
I am expecting to start, but today is 30th of August, so September anytime.
All right, Mr. Mukherjee, thanks so much for being with us. That's the word coming in from Sesa Goa, an update on when Goa and Karnataka will resume mining operations. Today, Sesa Goa is under a tad bit of pressure, down about 3%. We'll slip into a short break. It's fine for the markets, in fact, trading a tad bit in the green. When we come back, we'll get a discussion going on that land acquisition bill that was approved yesterday in the Lok Sabha.
MCX Stock Exchange.